pulling in with Baler. It's the right piece of kit, is this? Look at this thing, crikey. That's some machine, that, Craig. It's sucking it up, packing it in and punching it out. They'll have this field done in no time, Craig. Yeah. See how dry it is. It's nearly too dry, Craig, isn't it? Crikey, it's a warm one again today, is Jack. Just they'll have this field mocked up in no time. In this tractor, to say it's on top of jobs is an understatement. It's a hell of a bloody piece of kit. Oh, getting covered in dust. Well, is this, Craig? Yeah. It's tractor, baler and man working perfect harmony. We've got a Peg 939, Massey Fergie 2270 baler, baling straw, which is absolutely snuffed dry. Well, how many horsepower is that, Craig? It's 400 horsepower. 400 horsepower. What a, really on top of its game, really. What a piece of equipment. Top of its game. For a grand morning, really, Craig. It's good to go spot like that where Adam and Ben's, you know, you've got lads and machines at top of the game, really.
Yeah, good lads doing a top job, and they're good at it.
Oh, very good.
And put a good shift in.
Yeah, they
it's
do.
Good to see. I'm looking forward to following them throughout the season.
Yeah, different things they're doing. Yeah, great morning. I've loved it.